Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. Yeah, and actually we did not actually have some great trades, even if it's Tuesday. Last week it was like seriously bad. But anyways, we are here on Thursday. We're going to have CPI, which is something that will just make the market to just play games. Mostly we know that before the news, the market will just consolidate most of the time, you see. So we just have to make sure that we understand that. But just because the market is playing games, let's make sure that on that Thursday, we can recoup some of the profits. We also have to learn how to trade the news. I think I'll have to do a video about fundamentals, how to understanding the fundamentals actually. Then if we don't really trade that much Monday up to Wednesday, the market will be just going up and down. But on that Thursday, we will make sure that we are going to do something very nice. Today, we don't actually have any economic news, guys. We don't actually have anything aggressive in the market. So anyways, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, and whoever who already subscribed. Thank you very much, guys. You making this channel grow very nice. Today we will be going on a live session, so yeah, that will be actually great. Yeah, we'll see what's really happening. So we started with Euro USD. What's really happening? We can easily see that from the bottom there, the market is being actually showing us that I'm pushing to the upside. Around this area, I think we had a sort of a support also. So, but the bigger picture here is it's on a daily time frame. We can easily see that the market is still going to push the upside. Unless if maybe we see a breakout, then we can say maybe it's time for the market to do what? To push to the lower side. But for now, we are still on that uptrend. So let's go on 4 hours time frame and see what's really happening. So guys, if maybe there is no... What did I do? I clicked something. I don't know what did I click there. So if there is no opportunity, we know that the market is just waiting for economic news or fundamentals. Come on. Or I did not. Oh, okay. So we know that the market is just waiting for economic news. And we know that mostly the market will just consolidate and stuff like that, right? So, and we're not going to think twice. We understand. If you lost last week, this week might be your winning week, or your actually a week that you're going to recover. If you're going to lose next week, still maybe there is a day where you're going to recover. If we lost this week, we know that along the way we're going to recover. If we won now, that's good. You see, so now we are here. We can see that the market is just playing between this resistance. We have actually a resistance on top, but this doesn't really have to confuse you because still we are actually on that uptrend. This is just trying to create a wedge structure as the market is being actually pushing to the upside. So since there are this economic news for the dollar, I think the market will just play games around this support and resistance. If maybe the market breaks out of this resistance, then we're going to look for something like that. We're going to buy above that resistance line. If not, it means it's going to be the opposite. It means maybe the market will break out of this support, which is very strong, by the way, and then we might see the market pushing lower. So something like that. So currently, we're just waiting for the market to break this resistance so that we can actually buy, as we are actually on a very nice bullish momentum or an uptrend. I hope you understand. So what's really happening? On gold? Gold is doing its thing, guys. Gold is just doing its thing, just going all over the place. But what I like is the market is still actually respecting what we can call a support zone. You see that? The market is still respecting that. Very nice. If you check the market since when? Since 2022. It's been on this uptrend, but what I like is along the way we can easily see that the market did reverse, and when it's pushing to the upside, it goes crazy. Even now, I think the market will just do the same thing, but we know very well that the most important economic news. It's actually CPI, as it actually gauges the inflation. If the prices are going up, the market most likely, if the prices are going up, that will actually boost the dollar, but it's actually bad for other pairs, for gold, NASDAQ, the other ones. But if the prices are going down, inflation is actually like prices. When you go to your shopping center, whatever, those prices you can see they are high. So once they start to go down, we will see the likes of NASDAQ, gold, almost most of the things, they're just going to push the upside. But now it seems like the inflation slowly is going down. So what we see here is the market is been pushing lower slowly. It's been pushing lower slowly. Around this area, we have a support. And you know what, yesterday we did buy, this thing just went back again. So it means we just have to wait. It seems like the market is just trying to consolidate. Maybe the market will come lower up to this support before pushing up, or maybe the market will just respect what we currently have. Or you can see we have a support there. Maybe the market will respect that. But on top, we also have a resistance which the market can respect. So now we have a double, actually, there's on the bottom side, it's a support, and on the other one, it's a resistance. So it means we have to wait for the market to do what? To actually respect this support before we go on an aggressive bullish move. Or if the market breaks, even though maybe we need to buy around this area, but since there is economic news, the market will just consolidate. But once the market breaks this resistance, we're going to just start to go freely and say, is that time where we're just going to look for those buy positions, buy opportunities. Now, yes, we can still do that, but this area as a resistance is still pushing the market to go lower. You can see from this points, every time the market reaches that area, the market was just going down. So if we buy, it means we have to make sure that we pay attention to this zone, because the market might actually push lower. There is a chance for the market to also break this support. There is a chance for the market to break this support, especially if the inflation is still going up. We might see the dollar actually getting stronger, as that will actually force Fed to increase the rates. I hope you understand that. I hope you understand that. So today, guys, since last week it was not really good, we don't really want this week to be the same as last week. So we're going to just go slow and make sure that we take the right opportunity. Sometimes there's no point trying just to have enough signals. At the end of the day, we end up taking some losses. So we have to wait. We have to wait. It's a must, actually. So now we are actually on US30. What's really happening on US30? The market is still actually on that bullish momentum. But what I see here is I can easily see that the market seems to be respecting that resistance. It's now trying to push the lower side. But the reversals, guys, they are crazy. The reversals, they are crazy. So I thought maybe the market will be pushing lower. Very nice. Guess what? The market just reversed aggressively. But what I hate here is the market doesn't really give us a proper support. Remember, we had this area. Do you see that area? We also had this area. Now, a few days ago, we had that. Now we have this. So it's no longer making sense to us to say, which one should we follow? But it seems like at the end of the day, maybe the market wants to try to do something like that. Maybe the market will be going down like that. But remember, once you see that, don't just say, oh, maybe you got an opportunity to sell. Remember, we are on an uptrend. That's why we can easily see the market is pushing lower, but aggressively can push up. So it means we need to be extra careful when we're going to actually place our orders. I think we might end up having something like that. It might make sense, but hey, the market sometimes can just change things very quick, especially when there is any economic news. And I think once there is economic news, I don't know, I can't say exactly the brokers, but who controls the market, it seems like it's their time to manipulate the market. They have enough chance to manipulate the market because they know that you will say, oh, maybe it's the news, the market will just go crazy up or down. and after the news, the market start to cool, to calm down. But mostly after the news, most people already they lost. When it's time for us to take those opportunities, already we're out of the market. That's the problem. You see, so let's take it slow. I think we can try to sell, but hey, when it pushes up, it goes aggressive, you see. So, but by the way, I'm still waiting for the market to push, to go a little bit lower. I'm still expecting maybe to see another push, but the sell, I'm expecting a very nice sell, but I think we are actually still on an uptrend. Even if we sell, we're just going to hit and run, as the market might end up pushing to the upside. But it's way too difficult. It's 2 times difficult to trade when we're expecting some high impact news. If you go on your news, yahoo.com or Yahoo Markets Live, Bloomberg, whatever, you will just see that they're just talking about inflation, and that actually makes everyone to panic. So let's push to the next one, which is NASDAQ, the one and only. Since the market has been there, actually, guys, don't forget that you can join the team. Don't forget that you can join the team for $21 if you want to join the team. Our signal team, lifetime signals, is $21. This is Women's Month. Plus, we just reached 6K subscribers. So this is just thank you. Then after that, maybe we will see if maybe we can just go back to normal or something like that. So I really appreciate everyone who actually subscribes. So thank you very much, guys. So yeah, now we are on NASDAQ. We can easily see that it's been pushing to the upside. It's been pushing to the upside, and that gives us actually a clue. A clue that the market actually wants to actually push to the upside. This actually is a very nice uptrend, and it shows us that maybe the market wants to delete like that aggressive bearish momentum that we saw before. I think the market wants to start to push the upside. So where we are now, we saw the market reverse towards our support area, our previous resistance, but now it's our support area. You can see that around this area. But the market has been creating some structures, guys, and these structures, they've been a bit confusing. You can see that sometimes the market just wants us to lose, and once we participate in this type of movements, we end up getting lost. And we start to see these things now because the market evolves according to the news, whatever that happens around the geopolitical stuff and some economic stuff. So we see the inflation is going up. All those things, they affect the market. So what I see here is the market is actually consolidating. We had a nice buy pending order. Yay. The market did some crazy things, and it's funny. The market just touched our pending order, aggressively pushes lower, then aggressively again pushes up again, and now it's still a little bit here. So that's why I say, you know what, we just need to relax a little bit. Hey, I think we took some serious losses. So if you see me not sending the signal or not talking too much, guys, I'm trying to refresh. and try to stick to the right opportunities. If we just try to fight the market, we end up losing. So I think I see something. I don't know if it will make sense. Yeah, I think I see something like that. I will see if that breaks out or something, but I will just wait, guys, today. But we're gonna go on our live session and see what we can get. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you want to be part of the team. You know what to do. Just WhatsApp me, Telegram me. There is a link for my WhatsApp. Click that and you can talk to me. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. See you later on. Bye.